Welcome! In this quick and simple guide, I'll walk you through how to pin a message on a Telegram group. Whether you're an admin who wants to highlight important updates, or just someone keeping a chat organized, this is the easiest method to make a message stand out at the top of your group chat. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop and go to the group where you want to pin a message. This can be any group chat, maybe it's a study group, a family chat, or a community channel. Once you're in the conversation, scroll or search for the specific message that you'd like to pin. When you find it, simply tap that message once. On most phones, a small menu will appear right above or below the message. Among the available options, you'll see one labeled Pin. Tap this option. Telegram will then ask you to confirm that you really want to pin the message. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the message is pinned to the top of the chat. If you're an admin, you can choose whether the pinned message will be visible to everyone or just to other admins, depending on your group's settings. Telegram gives you that flexibility so you can keep your chat tidy without overwhelming everyone with pop-up notifications. Pinned messages are great for important announcements, community rules, event details, or even links that everyone should see. You can also pin more than one message over time. Telegram keeps them stacked, letting members scroll through previously pinned content whenever needed. If you ever want to unpin or replace a message, you can do it using the same method. Tap the pinned message at the top, then select the option to unpin. It's quick and keeps your group's information fresh and organized. That's it. Now you know how to pin messages in any Telegram group, making communication smoother and more efficient. Try it out today and keep your important chats front and center.